Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial, and welcome back to Know Max TV. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the best Android phone you can use to be timing your calls in your Android phone. So you are planning to be taking a call with someone, or you are going to have a call with someone, but you don't want to be spending a lot of time talking to that person. You can schedule the time so that by the end of that time your call will be ending automatically, or you can be choosing even to be scheduling few minutes depending on whether you are having other actions to be performing after that call, which means that in the meantime you have set is going to end the calls itself. If you did not subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, subscribe, like this video, and share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to be using my Play Store first. I go to my Play Store. So first of all, I find my Play Store in my Android phone, then I open it. After opening my Play Store, I come and search the application which is called Call Timer. So I can search for the Call Timer or Call Timers. So after typing Call Timers, I wait, and you can see the one which is there at the top. I see this one which is called Timer. So now also I can come here and click here on it. Once I click on it, also I have to install this application which is called Timer. Click install. So after clicking install this application, you can see it is now downloading, and I have to wait it to download. Once it is downloaded, I can also start allowing the features, and I can start using this application in my Android phone. So it take now it have only 4.6 GBs or so MBs, sorry, which means that it is not going to take a lot of time. It has 4.23 MBs, so no, it is not now going to be the one which is going to occupy so a lot of space on your Android phone. So you see now it is installing as verified by Play Protect. After getting installed, now we can proceed with other remaining process of using this application. So what is remaining now after getting installed is to open the application and start setting all the features into our Android phone. So you can wait a bit. So you see now it has already been installed in our Android phone. What you have to do is to click on this open option. So and we open our timer. So you see it is downloaded. So I have to close this because this is the junk files, also the application which is scanning the new application. So I have to open this open button. Then I open this application to start using it. As you see, it's application which contain us. So now I click allow it. So after allowing it, I click allow Call Timer to access your contacts. Yes, I allow it. So allow Call Timer to access photos and media on your device. Yes, I allow it. So now set Call Timer as default as your default call redirection app, which means it will be always redirected to calls once you make a call to someone, so that you can set your timing calls. Now I set up as default. So after setting up as default, also I click OK here. So now I click this let app always learn in the background, allowing Call Timer to always learn in the background melodies. But if you can change this later from settings. So now if you want this to be learning in background, you can choose it, or if you don't want it, you can also not accept it. But if you want or you allow it, so you have to read this and make sure that it is going to be affecting your battery, because your battery is going to be always using power, because we are going to be using this application. So I click allow now. So you see now it is notifying me that I have to allow display over all the applications. Yes, I allow this, then I click back. So once I click this back option, I can go back where I were on this. So I can go here and see these various options here. You can see enable or disable, uncheck or to disable. You can disable setup to timer, or you can also enable it if you want to enable it. So you can click here. Now after clicking here, you choose which minutes do you want to schedule. So you can schedule like 10 minutes. So now that's the timer. You put seconds, so for example 10 minutes and 30 seconds, which means if we are going to make with the call to someone, automatically in 10 minutes and 30 seconds is going to be stopping. So now you can choose radial, so you can choose if it's going to be radial after 3 minutes, after 3 seconds, after 9 seconds. You choose which one do you want. Monitor, you use this one, can choose to monitor also, or you cannot choose this one, which means you can be monitoring the balance or the amount you have used. So periodic notifications, if you want to be get notified every time, you can choose these options. So fix it to 2 SIM at the estimate. If you want to be using this in 2 SIMs, or you can do. Now you can limit incoming calls. If you want to limit incoming calls, also you can be using this application, which means you are limiting your calls, and you see down this application can be doing activities which are for multiple purposes, and you can be meeting incoming calls, you can be timing your calls. So if you see now SMS this Apple link, you can see now, you click here and see if you want to link these SMSs, login. You see now you can enable the debug info, send debug info if you want to be sending this one, or you don't want to send it. You can choose specific numbers, contacts, enables, or disable feature specific numbers if you want to disable it. Vibrations and setting or other ones you can choose. If you want to the phone to vibrate at on the end of all call, you have set 10 minutes for as timer, and if you want your phone to vibrate at the end of 10 minutes, also you can choose. If you want your call to terminate at every seconds, you can be choosing it. At every 3 seconds, you can be choosing it. Now is also vibrating because these seconds I'm holding. Sound volume, I can choose which volume do you want to choose. As you see, if I reduce it, also it reduce the volume. So now these are the options you can be using. Now what I want to do is to make a call and show you how the effects which are going to be also coming. So let me make a call and show you. So you see now I choose the number to make call. So now I have to make call on this number. So after making a call on this number also you can see here at the top, I get notification also saying that you are making a call, and I have also to time the call or not. So as you have allowed this feature here, when you go back, as you have allowed this feature there, it means that if you have disabled this option, also it is going to be working differently depending on how you turned on which option. For example, here you turned on this option if you enable it or disable it. So as you make a call, it is going to be affecting your the way you call the applications. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. Max TV, like this video and the turn notification bell button, so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. If you have any comment or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. You can time your calls and save your time. Thank you.